Hujambo, habari yako? Mimi ninaitwa Penina. Karibu katika idhaa yangu tuweze kujifunza Kiswahili. How are you? My name is Penina. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn Kiswahili. So today we are going to learn about pronouncing words in Kiswahili. And as you know, for anyone to learn a language, you must understand the sounds that are found in that language. So, Kiswahili has got its sounds that maybe some are same to English, but others are different from English. But basically, you need to understand how to pronounce Kiswahili sounds. Thereafter, understand how to pronounce the syllables, and eventually you can combine the syllables to make words and eventually understand Kiswahili. So in today's episode, we are starting with the sounds in Kiswahili. Kwa Kiswahili tunasema sauti za Kiswahili. So pronunciation begins with sounds. So Kiswahili has 30 sounds in total, as shown here. These are the Kiswahili sounds, and they are 30 in total. So I'm going to pronounce them the way they're supposed to be pronounced in Kiswahili, so that your pronunciation can be made better if you are a beginner in Kiswahili. So here we have sound A. 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 This one B. B. Ch. Ch. D. D. The, f, g, ga, ha, I, j, k, l,